Om Sri Sai Ram. My humble salutations to my beloved Bhagwan, respected elders and my dear students. Hearty welcome to revision class on differential equations. Solve the differential equation d square minus 2d plus 2 operating on y equal to e power x tan x by the method of variation of parameters. d square minus 2d plus 2 operating on y equal to e power x tan x సమీకరణాన్ని వేరియేషన్ ఆఫ్ పారామీటర్స్ పద్ధతి ద్వారా దీనిని ఈ అవకలన సమీకరణాన్ని సాధించండి. ఇచ్చినటువంటి డిఫరెన్షియల్ ఈక్వేషన్ fd ఆఫ్ y ఈక్వల్ టు q ఆఫ్ x రూపంలో ఉంది. ఇక్కడ f ఆఫ్ d ఈక్వల్ టు d స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ 2d ప్లస్ 2 q ఆఫ్ x ఇస్ ఈక్వల్ టు e పవర్ x tan x అవుతుంది. కనుక ఆక్సిలరీ ఈక్వేషన్ ఏమవుతుంది? f ఆఫ్ m ఈక్వల్ టు 0 అనగా m స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ 2m ప్లస్ 2 ఈక్వల్ టు 0 అంటే m ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు మైనస్ ఆఫ్ మైనస్ 2 ప్లస్ ఆర్ మైనస్ స్క్వేర్ రూట్ ఆఫ్ minus 2 whole square minus 4 into 1 into 2 divided by 2 into 1. Now what is m? M equal to 2 plus or minus square root of minus 4 divided by 2. That is equal to 2 plus or minus square root of 4i square by 2. That is equal to 2 plus or minus 2i by 2. That is equal to 1 plus or minus I into 1. They are complex roots. Kanuka complementary function పూరక ప్రమేయము yc ఈక్వల్ టు e పవర్ x ఇంటూ c1 cos x ప్లస్ c2 sin x. వేరియేషన్ ఆఫ్ పారామీటర్స్ పద్ధతి ద్వారా మనం కనుక్కోవాలి కాబట్టి దీని యొక్క సాధన దీన్ని c1u ప్లస్ c2vగా మనం రాసుకుందాం. u ఈక్వల్ టు e పవర్ x ఇంటూ cos x అండ్ v ఈక్వల్ టు e పవర్ x sin x. నౌ వాట్ ఈస్ u డాష్? minus e power x sin x plus e power x cos x. అలాగే v dash is equal to e power x cos x plus e power x sin x. Now uv dash minus vu dash equal to e power x cos x into e power x cos x plus e power x sin x minus e power x sin x into minus e power x sin x plus e power x cos x. So on further simplification, e power 2x cos square x plus e power 2x cos x sin x plus e power 2x sin square x minus e power 2x cos x sin x. So that is equal to e power 2x cos square x plus e power 2x sin square x, that is equal to e power 2x into cos square x plus sin square x, that is equal to e power 2x. Now yp equal to au plus bv be the particular integral of the given differential equation. Therefore a is equal to minus of square root of vr by uv dash minus vu dash dx. Now therefore that is equal to minus of e power x sin x into e power x sin x tan x divided by e power 2x dx. So that is equal to minus of integral sin x tan x dx. Now integral sin x into sin x by cos x into dx, that is equal to minus of sin square x by cos x dx, that is equal to integral 1 minus cos square x divided by cos x dx, that is equal to minus of integral 1 by cos x minus cos x dx, that is equal to minus secant x plus integral cos x dx. Now integral of secant x is nothing but log secant x plus tan x plus integral cos x is sin x. Now similarly we are going to calculate the another constant, that is equal to b. What is b? b is nothing but ur divided by uv dash minus vu dash dx, that is equal to integral e power x cos x into e power x tan x divided by e power 2x dx, that is equal to integral cos x tan x dx, that is equal to cos x into integral tan x is nothing but sin x by cos x dx. So that is equal to integral sin x dx, that is minus cos x. So finally the particular integral yp equal to au plus bv, that is equal to sin x minus log of secant x plus tan x into e power x cos x plus minus cos x into e power x sin x. So yp equal to finally, that is equal to, on further simplification, e power x cos x sin x minus e power x cos x into log secant x plus tan x uh, minus e power x sin x. So first and third terms gets cancelled. We get minus e power x cos x into log secant x plus tan x. We will get it. Hence, the general solution of the given differential equation is given by y is equal to yc plus yp. Therefore, y is equal to e power x into c1 cos x plus c2 sin x. That is equal to minus e power x cos x into log secant x plus tan x. Hence, it is solved. Now, 13b. Now, given differential equation is nothing but x square d square 3xd plus 1 operating on y equal to 1 by 1 minus x whole square. The given differential equation is nothing but x square d square plus 3xd plus 1 operating on y equal to 1 by 1 minus x whole square. Now, by Cauchy-Euler equation of order 2, put x is equal to e power z or e power t. Therefore, t is equal to log x. Therefore, x will be where x is greater than 0. Now, put theta equal to d by dt. Then xd equal to theta. X square d square is equal to theta into theta minus 1. So, that is nothing but once again x square d square plus 3xd plus 1 operating on y equal to 1 by 1 minus x whole square. That is nothing but theta into theta minus 1 plus 3 theta plus 1 operating on y equal to 1 by 1 minus e power t whole square. So theta square plus 2 theta plus 1 operating on y equal to 1 by 1 minus e power t whole square. Therefore, f of theta of y equal to q of t, where f of theta is equal to theta square plus 2 theta plus 1. That is nothing but theta plus 1 whole square, and q of t is equal to 1 by 1 minus e power t whole square. Now, what is the auxiliary equation? F of m equal to 0. That implies m square plus 2m plus 1 equal to 0. That can be written as m plus 1 whole square equal to 0. Therefore, m plus 1 into m plus 1 equal to 0. Hence, m is equal to minus 1 minus 1. It is a repeated rule. Hence, the complementary function yc equal to c1 plus c2t into e power t because of the repeated roots. Therefore, now yp equal to q of t operating divided by f of t, f of theta. So, 1 by f of theta of q of t is nothing but 1 by theta plus 1 whole square operating on 1 by 1 minus e power t whole square. So, once again 1 by theta plus 1 into that can be written as 1 by theta plus 1 operating on 1 by 1 minus e power t whole square. So, that is nothing but 1 by theta plus 1 into e power minus t into integral e power t into 1 by 1 minus e power t whole square dt. Why? Because we know that f of t operating 1 by theta plus alpha operating on f of t is nothing but e power minus alpha t into integral e power alpha t into f of t dt. మనం క్లాస్లో f of t బదులు q of t dt అని రాసుకోవాలి. So alpha equal to 1 here, and f of t is nothing but 1 by 1 minus e power t whole square. Now, on further simplification, that is nothing but 1 by theta plus 1 operating on, once again, because we know that f of t whole power n into f dash of t dt equal to f of t whole power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. Now, here if I take f of t equal to 1 minus e power t and n is equal to 2, f dash of t becomes minus e power t. So, this can be written as so I have taken minus term common, so that minus e power minus t into integral 1 minus e power t whole to the power of minus 2 into minus e power t dt. Now, so the formula, as per the formula, 1 minus e power t whole to the power of minus 2 plus 1 divided by minus 2 plus 1. So, e power minus t into 1 minus e power t whole to the power of minus 1. So, that is nothing but 1 by theta plus 1 operating on e power minus t divided by 1 minus e power t. So, that is equal to minus of e power minus t into integral minus e power minus t by e power minus t minus 1 dt. Now, minus of e power minus t into log of e power t minus 1. Therefore, finally, the general solution is y equal to yc plus yp. So, c1 plus c2t into e power t. minus e power minus t into log of e power minus t minus 1. Now finally you have to replace what is e power t. So in the beginning we have started with x. So wherever e power t is there, replace that by x and t by log x. So final answer will be actually that is missing here, c1 plus c2 into what is t, log x into x minus 1 by x into log of 1 by x minus 1. Now another important problem is also given here. D square minus 3d plus 2 operating on y is equal to sin e power minus x. Now the given differential equation in the operator form can be written as f of y equal to q of x, where f of d equal to d square minus 3d plus 2 and q of x is equal to sin of e power minus x. Now the auxiliary equation is f of m equal to 0, that is nothing but m square minus 3m plus 2 equal to 0. That is m square minus 2m minus m plus 2 equal to 0. So m into m minus 2 minus 1 into m minus 2 equal to 0. So m minus 2 into m minus 1 equal to 0. So we get m is equal to 1 and 2. They are real and distinct. Therefore, what is the complementary function? Yc is equal to c1 e power x plus c2 e power 2x. Now what is yp? 1 by f of t operating on q of x. That is nothing but sin e power minus x operated by d square minus 3d plus 2. Now this can be written as d minus 2 into d minus 1, the denominator. So if we take d minus 1 inside, so 1 by d minus 2 into that is operating on sin e power minus x divided by d minus 1. But we are having a formula 1 by d minus alpha operating on q of x. Here we have taken f of x instead of q of x. Okay. E power alpha x into integral e power minus alpha x into f of x dx. So this is nothing but 1 by d minus 2 into e power sin e power minus x. So what is the value? So as per the formula, yp formula, 1 by d minus 2 into e power x into integral e power minus x into sin of e power minus x dx. Now put e power minus x is equal to t, therefore minus e power minus x dx is equal to dt. So e power minus x dx is equal to minus dt. So this can be written as e power x into integral sin t minus dt. What is integral of sin t? That is cos t. So e power x into cos t. So 1 by d minus 2 operating on e power x into cos of e power minus x. Now once again here alpha equal to 2, once again using the same formula like before, this becomes e power 2x into integral e power minus 2x into e power x cos e power minus x dx. That is nothing but e power 2x into integral e power minus x into cos of e power minus x dx. Just like before, put e power minus x is equal to t, therefore that becomes cos t minus dt. What is integral of cos t? Sin t. So minus sin t. So minus e power 2x into sin e power minus x. Okay, so the general solution of the given differential equation is y is equal to complementary function plus particular integral. That is nothing but yc plus yp. Therefore y equal to c1 e power x plus c2 e power 2x minus e power 2x into sin of e power minus x. Hence it is completed. Okay, thank you for watching this video.